It's over. What are they doing? Oh, okay. Xbox fridge! Xbox fridge! Xbox fridge! They did it! They did it! Xbox fridge! Yes! Yes! This is what the people wanted! 10 out of 10! 10 out of 10! Xbox and chill! That's what I'm talking about, man. No one saw it coming. They said, hey, this console generation, mini fridge versus a router. And Xbox say, hey, our thing looks like a mini fridge. Let's make one. Let's make a mini fridge, guys. How's PlayStation gonna top that, huh? Are they gonna make a router now? For good internet? For good online services? Yeah, that's not gonna happen.